morning, student. Today I am here with my one topic, that is magnetic effects of current. Magnetic effects of current. Student, you know what is the meaning of magnetic effect of current? First of all, we have to know this. We know that current shows three effects. One is chemical effect, magnetic effect, and heating effects. We have already studied in the first chapter that heating effect due to current means when current will flow through the wire, the heat is created in a coil. It shows that there we have seen one effect that was due to the current. This is said to be heating effects of current. Chemical effect, when the electricity will pass through, or you can say that when a current will flow through any solution, there will be dissociation of ions. So that is that. There also we have saw one effect. That effect was also due to the flow of current. So we have seen that there are three effects of current. Here also we will study about how the magnetic effect was seen in a wire when the current was flowing through that wire. Magnetic effect किसके कारण है? Current के कारण. That means when current will flow through the wire, we have saw that wire start behaving as a magnet. वो wire magnet की तरह behave करने लगा. And anything that behaves like a magnet, that shows the property of attraction. क्योंकि what is the definition of magnet? If I say magnet means what? Magnet is an object which attracts some materials like iron, cobalt and nickel. So similarly here also the wire start behaving like a magnet when the current start flowing through the wire. Student, now before discussing on this topic, you have to first know the meaning of magnetic field. Magnetic field. What is magnetic field? First of all, you understand here. Field क्या होता है? Field. Field means एक जगह, एक space, जहां पे बहुत सारे बच्चे खेल रहे हो, या एक ऐसा जगह जहां पे कुछ बच्चे खेल रहे हो, कुछ घूम रहे हो, एक फील्ड में ये होता है. उसी तरह similarly when you will place one magnet, we know that student there are two types of magnets. One is a natural magnet and one is artificial magnet. And lodestone is one of the natural magnet, and bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, these are one of the artificial magnet which we see in the laboratory, that is used for doing experiment in the schools and etc. So on. Now we have to understand, we will take one bar magnet. This is the rectangular, you see this shape. This shape is in the form of rectangular. This is north pole and this is south pole. If you will place one magnet here, you will see around this magnet one space will create. One space will create around this magnet, and that space is said to be magnetic field. That means one field is creating. One field is creating around this magnet. One field is creating, student, around this magnet, and this field is said to be a magnetic field. This field is said to be a magnetic field. So now I think all of you have understood. अब आपको तो समझ में आ गया होगा that whenever any magnet is placed in a space, then the magnet start creating a field around it, and that field is said to be magnetic field. And if the object comes in that space, in that field, this magnet will try to attract that object. This magnet will attract that object. That means some force is creating in this field. यानी इस फील्ड में कोई ऐसा फोर्स एक्सर्ट हो रहा है जो उस ऑब्जेक्ट को अपने तरफ खींचे। So student, first of all you have seen what is magnetic field. The field around the magnet is said to be magnetic field. So now we will discuss here many things. This is student one of the horseshoe magnets. You are seeing this is U shape. If you will put here, then it will also start creating some field around it. So any magnet you are keeping here, around it some field is created and that field is said to be magnetic field. Okay student, now the second point you have to understand about this. Before explaining about magnetic effect of current, you have to understand some terms. Then only you will be able to understand this uh, effect. Second is magnetic field line. Line. Student, you are seeing that some line, some imaginary line, you can say that. ये एक imaginary line है because this line we can't is not visible. हम लोग ये नहीं कह सकते कि this is the line we are seeing that is creating around the magnet. No, this is an imaginary line. An imaginary curve line. Look here. This is an imaginary curve line which is created around this magnet. जो इस मैग्नेट के चारों तरफ बन रहा है. Why इसको imaginary क्यों बोल रहे हैं? This is imaginary because we are unable to. This is not visible. The line is not visible. But by doing some experiments, by doing some demonstration, we have find out the pattern of magnetic field line. I will discuss that further. So how you will define magnetic field line? An imaginary curved line. An imaginary curved line. When the tangent, you know what is tangent? Tangent is a line which passes through a point on a circle. यानी यहाँ पे अगर एक point है, suppose that it is an imaginary curved line. When you will draw a tangent line from here, see here. It is an imaginary curved line, and when a tangent line is drawn through a point on this curved line, this shows the direction of magnetic field. This shows the direction of magnetic field. This is magnetic field line. This is magnetic field line. By this we can define what is magnetic field line. See, you have to write in your own language. Okay, you have to just write that whenever it is an imaginary curved line and a tangent is drawn through that from any point. If you will draw from this point, then also it will show the direction of magnetic field. Again, if you will draw from this point, it will show the direction of magnetic field. From any point on this circle, if you will draw a tangent, it will show the direction of magnetic field. This is said to be magnetic field line. So these two things we have discussed here, and this is one of the important topics which should be understandable so that we can able to understand this effect. Okay, student. Now we are going to discuss about some properties of field line. Properties of magnetic field line. Properties of magnetic field line. MFL, magnetic field line. One of the important questions. And many years I have saw that this question have been asked for 2 or 3 marks. So you will just try to understand this. What are the properties of magnetic field line? The first property that was observed by doing many experiments like putting a compass near a bar magnet, it was seen that the bar magnet, the needle of the compass was moving towards the north and moving from north to south. The deflection was from north to south. So here the first property is that this is rectangular bar magnet and this is north pole and south pole. You know that magnets are dipole. Dipole means it has two poles, north pole and south pole. And if you will cut from here, suppose that it will also always it will behave as a dipole. If you will cut from here, again it will become north. You can't say that if you will cut, north pole will be exit. No, it will remain always because it is a dipole. The first property is that the magnetic field line exit from north and enters to south. Exit from north and enters to south. Exit from north and enters to south. This is first property of this line. यानी पहला property ये है कि north pole से निकलेगा, the line will exit from north pole and it will enters to south pole. And second property of this line that in the middle of the magnet, student, try to understand, in the middle of the magnet the field line goes from north to south, south to north, south to north. Look here, it is going from south to north, south to north. Inside the magnet the direction of magnetic field line is from south to north. And when it is going outside the north pole, you are seeing that it is going from north to south. So this is about the first property. Second property, I have told that magnetic strength of line, magnetic field, magnetic field line is stronger at pole. This is the second property. Magnetic field line is stronger at pole. Now the question is that how sir we can say that this is stronger at the pole? I want to just explain this one. Please look here. Student, when you are seeing that when the line is exiting from this pole, see here. When the magnetic field line is exiting from this pole, exiting from this pole, you are saying the degree of closeness of the magnetic field line is more in north pole, near the pole. Look here. That means you can say that where how we will understand where the strength is more. The strength is more near the pole. Why? Because we are seeing that the more degree of closeness of magnetic field line is near the pole. Look here, near the pole. So near the pole, the strength of magnetic field line is greater. So this is the second property of magnetic field line. Okay, I want to ask one question, student. Please try to understand. Suppose that these are uniform, these are magnetic field. Okay, these are magnetic field line. You say me that where the strength will be more, at point A or at point B. Where the strength will be more, at point A or at point B. The answer is at point A. Why? Because the closeness of field line is more in the comparison of this point. You will see that here the more field lines are close to each other. and where there will be the degree of more closeness among this field line, there it will be more stronger. So this is the second property, student. Okay, I think all of you have understood here. Now the third property, magnetic field line does not intersect with each other. Magnetic field line does not intersect with each other. For example, I want to explain here. Look here. This is one field and this is one another field. Okay. These are two lines, magnetic field line, and these two does not intersect with each other. This is one of the property of magnetic field line. Why? Because when you will draw tangent from this point and from this point, you will see that it will show the two direction of field. It will show from one point, it will show the two direction that is not possible. एक समय पे दो डायरेक्शन पॉसिबल, एक पॉइंट से दो डायरेक्शन पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो इट डज नॉट, टू फील्ड लाइन डज नॉट इंटरसेक्ट विद ईच अदर. आप देख रहे हैं ये दो फील्ड लाइन है. इफ यू आर ड्राइंग टेंजेंट हियर एंड वन टेंजेंट हियर, दिस इज शोइंग द टू डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन which is not true. Okay, so this is the third property of magnetic field line. So these are the properties that we have studied about magnetic field line. There are more properties. You can write in your own language. You can give your own points on that. That this here the magnetic field in the between the magnet, in the middle of the magnet is uniform and it is parallel, and you will draw some uniform magnetic field. This is uniform magnetic field. This is uniform magnetic field. Why it is uniform? Because all the field lines are parallel and equidistant. Parallel, equidistant. पैरेलल, सी है ये सब एक दूसरे से पैरेलल है. और इस लाइन और इस लाइन का डिस्टेंस, इस लाइन और इस लाइन का डिस्टेंस, इस लाइन का इस लाइन का डिस्टेंस, every distance are equidistant from each other. So we will say this is uniform magnetic field line. This can be also one of the property of magnetic field line. So student, I think all of you have understood this. Today we have studied about the magnetic field line, and in the next class I will discuss on this topic, that is magnetic effect of current. We have to study more. We have to study some rule also in this. We have to study some kicking experiment also in this, and after that some devices like motor and generator, which are one of the important topics. So I will come with my next video. Thank you, student.